Nakafocus na yan? Yung mic. Ready na mic?
Mic ready?
Okay. So, game?
Camera rolling. 3, 2, 1, action.
Hi, I am Luis Rafael A. Lauzon, and I am a proud graduate for the degree course of Bachelor in Multimedia and Arts.
Hi, I'm Jewel Amor Julian, graduate of Bachelor of Special Needs Education with specialization in elementary teaching.
I am Maria Pauline D. Ravano, a graduate of BS Accountancy from the College of St. Anthony.
I am Mark Altares, a graduate of Bachelor in Multimedia Arts, major in Graphic Design.
Hi, I'm Genevieve Velasco, a graduate of Bachelor's in Multimedia Arts.
Good day everyone! Ako po si Alisa Christie Estruazol, a graduate of Bachelor of Special Needs Education with specialization in elementary teaching.
Hello, my name is Andrea Cristina El Perucho. I am a graduate of Bachelor's in Multimedia Arts.
I am Adrian Gatmaitan, a graduate student from Bachelor of Arts in Communication.
Hi, I'm Daniel Almujel, graduate ng Multimedia Arts.
So my name is Jessica Vina. I'm an MMA graduate.
Hello, my name is Daniel Carl San Luis Diliera, and I'm graduate Bachelor of Multimedia Arts.
Hello, my name is Romy Luis Valeros. I'm a graduate student in Bachelor of Arts in Communication.
Yung being part of different organization, kahit student ako, kasali ako sa iba't ibang orgs and mas na-appreciate ko yung course nila and medyo nagustuhan ko din siya, especially in filming.
One of my highlights in CSA here, which I look upon fondly, is where I've won in Film Festival 2025 Best Actor in the film starring Ang Guerrerong Magtas.
CSA made me realize that I am passionate with 3D modeling, which now had landed me my dream job as a game developer.
I'll never forget na yung moment na nanalo kami sa ASEP, Asian Student Exchange Program sa Taiwan. Yun talaga yung proudest moment ko as an Antonian.
Isa po sa pinaka-favorite na experience ko habang ako po ay nag-aaral dito sa CSA ay ang aming experience sa Field Study 1 and 2. Masasabi kong ito po ang pinaka-naging driving force para mas ma-appreciate ko ang aking course and mas malaman ko ang kalagayan ng bansa natin patungkol sa pangangailangan ng mga teachers for special needs.
Ang naging experience ko sa CSA is yung naging actor ako ng itong short films. Nag-take ng 3 or 4 years sa college.
Communication is also about being able to listen to others, understand their perspectives, and be mindful of how actions and words can affect other people.
Is the importance of hard work. Your instructors or our instructors would teach us, but it's important that we learn how to be independent because at the end of the day, once we exit this school, we should be in charge of our own lives.
Na parang wag kang makontento sa good lang na parang okay na to. Parang dapat may parang marking brand ka na parang ito ka kung ano yung pinaka parang kulay mo, kung ano yung parang deep meaning mo sa buhay mo.
Sa lahat ng taong mamimit mo, may makukuha kang something sa kanila. Kung good man yun or bad or hindi man agad-agad, pero someday magigets mo rin na yung sinabi niya or yung experience na yun is magbe-benefit sa'yo. Or pwedeng hindi mag-benefit, pero for sure may makukuha ka tong lesson.
It's super important to take a step, no matter how small it is. Kasi you never know where that small step will lead you, like how it did to me. So everything, all the experiences I've had here in CSA, all it took was one step forward and everything else followed.
It's okay to make mistakes. Kasi doon mo na lalaman yung mga kailangan mong itama.
Don't be scared to ask for help. People will always be there. Kahit yung profs mo na kinakabahan kang kausapin, they're actually gonna be really understanding. And, it's comfortable. It's, hindi ka mahirapan makipag-usap sa kanila.
I would like to give a thank you to my parents, to my grandfather, my grandmother, my big brother, and to the people who have supported me throughout the whole semester and the whole year. I would like to give thank you very much.
Thank you to my parents, to Miss Tricia, to my peers who never gave up on me doing during group works. And yeah, thank you then to God for letting me have this experience and opportunity.
To my parents, I would like to say thank you for all of your hard work and for guiding me through the right path. And I would like to say a special thank you to Miss Nessa, as you are the one who made me realize that I am very passionate in 3D modeling and I am skilled enough to land a job. So thank you so much, CSA. It's been a wonderful year and a wonderful experience with you.
I would like to thank my instructors, classmates, family, friends, and those who have especially supported me when things get overwhelming for me, and especially God, who have helped me throughout my college journey. Without you guys, I won't be able to become a person that I am today.
Thank you to everyone who loved and supported me throughout my journey. Especially you, Mama. Tapos, actually yun lang. Salamat lang sa lahat ng mga ginawa nila sa akin. And I would like to say na mahal ko kayong lahat.
Una po na gusto kong pasalamatan, syempre po ang Panginoon, dahil po wala po kami lahat dito kung hindi niya po kami tinulungan. Gayon din ang aking pong mama, dada at ang aking nag-iisang kapatid. Salamat po sa inyong patuloy na suporta. Sa akin pong mama, graduate ka na po dahil graduate na po ang iyong bunso. Yun lang po, maraming salamat po.
So of course, I am thankful for my family. Kasi finally, tapos na ako, graduate na ako ng college, and hindi kayo sumuko hanggang makatapos ako. My friends, especially here at CSA, so malaking support system kayo dito. So especially kahit mga hindi ko ka-batch, malaking help sila sa akin during my down moments. And to my college professors and mentors, Miss Dayan, Miss Vernie, Sir Mar, Doc Ava, and si Miss Tricia, thank you very much for your guidance and everything.
Finally, I would like to thank the College of St. Anthony for its quality education and for giving me all the opportunity there is, especially my needs as a BSA student, and also to my classmates, to sharing this experience with you all in this college journey, and to my best friend for keeping me sane all throughout my college life, and finally to my parents for leading me to the right path. Without you all, I wouldn't reach this milestone.
So yun, gusto kong mag-thank you syempre sa lahat ng na-meet ko sa journey na to, sa 4 years. Mula nung first year hanggang ngayong graduate na tayo. Sa family ko, kay God, syempre, sa mga nakilala along the way, sa girlfriend ko, and syempre sa sarili ko rin. And yun. So yun, thank you CSA, and mamimiss ko ang school na to.
Papasalamat ako sa mga taong nakapaligid sa akin, sa mga classmates ko and family, sa nanay at tatay ko, and sa lola ko, sa mga pinsan ko, and din sa mga kapatid ko na sumusuporta din sa akin sa pagpili ko ng course, sa pagpili ko ng sarili kong path sa future career and goals. And especially thank din for God for guiding me to the right path I choose.
There's a lot of people that I want to thank, no? Pero of course, first and foremost is my parents, my mama and my papa, who always supported me not only in my studies but for my whole life, from birth to where I am now. So sila po talaga yung support ko no matter how hard it is. They always push me and they always make sure that I get to do it. So I'm forever grateful for them. Wait lang. Next. I'd also like to thank my tita and their family, the Cobb family, since sila po yung nagsilbing one call away po namin. Every time that we are in need, every time na kapag nagkukulang kami, we can always just ask them and they're always ready to help us. So maraming salamat po. Miss Tricia, si Miss Arian, Miss Kathleen, Miss Amor, and all the faculties and administration here in CSA. Maraming salamat po. And lastly, of course, I would like to thank my girlfriend, who's always ready to pick me up when I'm down.
So ayun, nagpapasalamat ako kay God and kay Mama at Papa dahil sila yung sumusuporta sa akin. Nagpapasalamat ako sa tita ko, kay nanay, tsaka kay lolo. Kahit wala na sila sa mundong ito, alam kong ginagabayan nila ako. Nay, lolo, graduate na po ako. At meron na pong graduate sa pamilya natin.
So, paalam, CSA, at maraming salamat sa 4 na taong serbisyo. Lahat ng turo at experience na binigay mo ay babaunin namin hanggang sa dulo.